Hey everybody, what's good? So I am here with a Fashion Nova try-on haul. I'm really excited because I got this big old bag. Like, look at how this thing is huge. Like, this is like a whole person. Like, what? So yeah, let's get into this haul and all that. Okay, so first thing I want to share with y'all is a jacket skirt set. And it's so cute. It's so cute. So I had to get them individually. The set doesn't come together because these things can also be worn with other things. Like, they can be worn individually, but they're so cute together. So we'll start with the skirt. This is the skirt. This is called a pull-up skirt. The name of the skirt is called the pull-up skirt. I got it in a size extra small. The material is super thick, which I really like. And it has two little red stripes on the side. And then the jacket I got in a small. So they had the jacket in an extra small, but I didn't want the jacket to be too fitting. I still wanted it to have some bagginess. So I did get the set matching jacket in a small. The jacket's so cute. Like, y'all can probably see now why I say that the pieces can be worn individually. The set is so cute. And the jacket has pockets. So next thing I got is the Bondog biker set, short set. I got this in my last haul in the nude mocha color, but I really wanted it in black, so I got it. I got it in an extra small, y'all, but I'm pretty sure I got my last set in an extra small, and it fit very comfortably. But y'all, this set, I fit in it, but shoot, it was a tight fit. I was like, I don't think I'm gonna be able to fit this. I mainly got it for the shorts anyways, but y'all, this thing was tight. Either I'm getting bigger or I chose the wrong size, and I don't know. It's still really cute, but like I said, I mainly got it for these. I was able to get them on, but bruh, I don't even want to try to put the top back on because that mess, I could not breathe. I got it on and I was comfortable, but shoot, putting it on, ooh. So I got these She's a Savage leggings in a size extra small. They fit very comfortably. The material is super thick, which I like. And what I also like, you all, is that it says Savage on the leg. Like, look, that's so cute. And it's kind of like color block. So you got your black, your royal blue, your white. I just think these leggings are so cute. And I saw somebody, I don't remember her name, but I saw her trying these on in her try-on haul, and I was like, I got to have them. So I got them. I remember last time I tried to get them, but they were completely sold out in my size, but now they got them and they're cute. And this extra small fits very well. I don't know what happened to the legging shorts on the last set, but these fit comfortably. I don't, comfortably is that a real word? It sounds very wrong right now. I don't know. But I really like these leggings. And they make my booty look cute. So, Next up, we have this Jaylene Windbreaker Jacket in the color orange in a size small. It coming off real bright on camera, but it's more of like a highlighter orange. And it's kind of like, you know, when you see your security guards with their windbreaker jackets, this is kind of what this reminds me of. But I think this is really cute. It's lightweight and I like it a lot. Like I said, the color is more of a highlighter orange, not whatever. This looks like pumpkin orange on camera, but this is more of a highlighter orange. And it also has highlighter yellow going around, trimming the black, but it's not really coming off on camera. But I really like this jacket. I think it's really cute. Fashion Nova is coming back out with a lot of these windbreaker jackets, a whole bunch of different colors, and I'm feeling it. I'm feeling the trend, I'm feeling the vibe. So I did get more jeans. These are the Tell Your Boy Bye jeans in a size 1. Of course, they got rips, and I've been really feeling jeans that have the distress at the bottom like this on both sides, so that's what they do. And these pockets have these jeans have real pockets in the front. A lot of the jeans I get from Fashion Nova have fake pockets in the front, and I don't like that because I actually use my pockets. But the pockets are real up in the front, real in the back, and these just fit comfortably. There I go again with comfortably. They fit comfortable. let me look up if comfortably is a word. Hold up, y'all, because I don't want to keep using this word a bajillion times. I'm pretty sure it's a word. It just sounds very wrong right now, and I don't know why. Okay, comfortably is a word. It just sounds very wrong right now. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, I like these jeans a lot. You can't go wrong with Fashion Nova jeans. Never, ever, ever. So I saw this shirt. I wasn't too super sure about it. So I was like, let me just get it anyways to see. They had it in 2 different colors, a rust color and a black. It's a Magic Woman top. I got it in rust because I was like, let me stop getting black stuff. Let me take a break from black, which is hard for me to do, but yeah. I wasn't super sure about how I feel about the shirt. I'm still trying to figure it out, but I don't hate it. So here's what it looks like. It has these big old sleeves like this, and then the front kind of crisscrosses, and I've been feeling shirts that cross over like this. In the front, it's not very exposing. It fits right. Did I say the size I got this in? I got it in a small. If they had an extra small, I think an extra small would fit a lot better. But hey, it doesn't expose me. So that's cool. It's not an ugly shirt. I think I just got to figure out how I would want to wear it. And yeah, next up, this shirt that I had to get because I've been homesick is the Fresh as Bel Air Oversized Tee. I got it in a size small, and it just says California on the front. I'm from California, but y'all know I just moved last year. So just got it because I've been homesick. I really like the shirt. It's really long, which I like. I like oversized tees because I like to like halfway tuck them in and then let some of the rest just hang out. But yeah, super cute shirt. Just, I've been homesick, so you know I had to do what I had to do. And I did what I had to do. So this is the Des skirt set. It's in white. I got it in an extra small. So it comes with this long high-waisted skirt, and I really like this skirt a lot because it actually does go all the way down to my feet. And then you get this bandeau top to go along with it. I really like this set a lot. You're not gonna be able to walk easy in it. Like, you get about this much span of leg space, and that's about it. But it is a very, very cute set, very comfortable set, and a very stretchy set. So I do like this set a lot. And then I got this kimono. It's called the Spring Into Action kimono in a size small/medium. It's really cute, really pretty. It's very pretty. It's actually more of a corally color. It's not coming off that way on camera, but oh, it's so pretty, and it's like high-low, and I just like it a lot. I need to like up my kimono light sweater stuff. I had a favorite one, but I lost it at the airport, so I just need to replenish that and re-up my stack. But this is really, really cute, very lightweight and cute. And then this is the last thing that I got, a pair of shoes. Wasn't super sure how I was gonna feel about these shoes, but I said step out the box there and try something a little different that you wouldn't normally try. So I did get these shoes. I've been seeing these kind of like blocky old grandpa shoes going around. Like, they're similar to the like Balenciaga, but the Balenciagas are stupid. Like, they're mad ugly and overpriced. It's Balenciaga that has those ugly shoes, right? I don't know brands. I don't follow name brand stuff. But yeah, I've been seeing people wearing these, and I thought they're really cute. I don't think I can get with that wave. I wasn't like feeling it, but I got these in a size 8. I'm technically a 7.5/8, so I said, okay, let me get a size 8 because Fashion Nova shoes, I noticed, run small. Bruh, the 8 still too small. My foot gets in it, like my foot's in it, but my foot is in, but it can't move, if that makes sense. So my foot's flat in the shoe, but it's still like touching the front, and that's not comfortable. So I guess I had to get an 8.5. So I won't be wearing these. They aren't ugly, but yeah, that's just how I feel about these shoes. These are the too cool for this sneaker set, by the way. So that is it for this haul, you guys. Let me know down below in the description what your favorite piece was, what your favorite item was, what your favorite was. yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you didn't, keep your thumbs to yourself, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.